This the result. Ini dia hasilnya. Oh, cantik banget. It's so beautiful, tasty, healthy. Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make the tiramisu, the easy way, of the simple way, tasty and healthy, and the most important is still on a budget. For more information, please watch this video from beginning until the end, and please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Now I will show you all the ingredients I will use it. So let's start with the vanilla sugar. 1 sachet of vanilla sugar. I use this type of rum. You see, this is not alcohol, only to give a flavor. This the rum. Don't forget the mixer. I use the blueberry and the orange. The fresh orange. This type of fruit is contained with the vitamin C and high of antioxidant. It's good for your immune system, and also it's good for your skin. Sugar, little bit sugar, and the coffee and whipping cream. I use a whipping cream and the biscuit, like this. The biscuit. And I will add little bit full cream milk, and I use this, and little bit cacao powder, and don't forget about. I prefer to use the black coffee like this. This from Arabica coffee. The taste is more stronger. But it's a really good taste to make the tiramisu, and minimal you need to leave it for 1 hour before you use it. Okay, 1 hour before. Add the whipping cream. The rum like that. The rum is not alcohol, just to give a flavor. Just a little bit. Add the sugar in. Not all, just a half. The vanilla sugar. A little bit milk, full cream milk. Now to mix. Tiramisu sambil jogetan goyang dumang, ya kan, Bu? Ayo goyang dumang biar hati senang, semua masalah jadi hilang. Ayo goyang dumang biar hati senang, semua masalah jadi hilang. Intermezzo, ya kan, Bu? Little bit dangdut Indonesia. Netherlands we call it Bordeaux. Ini Bordeaux. Bordeaux itu bahasa Prancis. France language Bordeaux. Netherlands is middle finger. Begitu. Pusing deh pala Barbie, ya kan. Permiso. Nih kita susun nanti di sini. This and in this, okay? Nih. So, one by one like this. Sampai selesai ya, kan? Like this, and ada coffee. Sampai rata. Kadang dicampur bu bahasanya ya kan. I mix Indonesian language with English and Netherlands. Like this. Okay. And this. And then add the chocolate powder, cacao powder. This. For the second layer, do the same with the first layer. So add this again, like this. Okay, like this. Coffee. Okay. Ini yang ketiga ya, ini lagi jadinya ini pakai kopi. Oke, seperti itu. Ininya nanti pakai ini dulu. Yes. Enak banget loh, it's so delicious. Just taste it, it's so delicious. Okay. Ini terakhir. Ini tangan juga termotong bu. This the result. Ini dia hasilnya. Oh, cantik banget. It's so beautiful, tasty, healthy. This la la, looks so yummy, delicious. Look, it's healthy. You can still eat tasty food for the healthy life. What you think about my recipe for today? Please give me feedback. Any idea, feedback, those are welcome. Thank you for watching everyone, and please subscribe, like and share. Please support my channel to be able to grow and to share all of more recipe to all of you. Thank you everyone, and have a great day. If you interesting, please take a look to my playlist of my video from before, and give me a feedback. Thank you everyone and have a great day. Bye for now. Greeting from homemade recipe Inang, Belgium. Bye bye. Have a great day today. Bye. Tasty and healthy tiramisu, rich of vitamin and mineral.